In class 11, we are on chapter 1, and in chapter 1, our topic is business risk. Yesterday, we completed nature of risk, business risk, what is the meaning of business risk, and nature of business risk, like that in business risk is present and the reward of risk is profits earned by the businessman. That's why, my dear children, business risk or risk is present everywhere. It is a common phenomena that business has risk, but it depends on the size of the business. If the business is of large size, large scale, then the risk will be more. And if the business is of small scale or small size, the risk factor will be less. So today I am going to explain you through share screen that what are the risks present in the business, and next topic am going to show you that causes of business risk. Yes, my dear children, what are the causes of business risk? Yesterday I explained you the meaning of business risk. Business risk means uncertainty of profits. See, uncertainty of profits means there will be some chances of risk. And there are two types of risk. I explained you: speculative risk and pure risk. Speculative risk means there may be some chances of profits as well as loss. So maybe some possibility of profits also. And pure risk means, yes, pure risk means no chance of gain, only loss or no loss. So today we are going on the next topic, that is causes of business risk. And the first cause is natural cause. Natural cause means risk due to natural calamities. It may include damage from flood, earthquake, tsunami, etc. Yes, drought also. So natural causes are various causes which may be the reason of mass destruction of people and property. So my dear children, natural causes are the causes which you cannot control. You can minimize it, but you cannot eliminate it. Like you can't control the earthquake, flood, tsunami. These all are natural causes. So the first is natural causes which are not under the control of human being. Risk due to natural calamities. It may include damage from flood, earthquake, etc. Recently, you can see the flood in Jaipur or in Mumbai. Mass destruction was there. Various people lost their property. That's why it is termed as natural cause. Then second is, my dear children, human cause. Human cause. Human cause means it may arise due to certain human activities. Loss by theft, bad debts, mistakes, fraud, cheating, some accident or machine accidents, etc. They are due to carelessness and negligence. So human cause is also the cause of huge loss. It may arise due to human activities. But my dear children, keep in mind that human activities or losses due to human activities or risk due to human cause may be controlled, can be minimized by insurance also, but can be controlled by alertness. See, theft, loss by theft, you can control that. Then bad debts. What is bad debts? In accountancy, you have this terminology that bad debts means the amount which is irrecoverable from by the businessman from their debtors. That's why these debtors proved as bad. So bad debts is then loss for business. The debtors are not giving the payments. Yes. Then mistakes, fraud, cheating. Also the reason due to human cause. And then accidents on carelessness. Some machines may be damaged due to carelessness, negligences, accidents may occur, and that may be the reason of compensation to pay to employee. So human causes are also there. Then, my dear children, something new for you, that is economic causes. Economic causes means this is a wider term. It includes various things. Yesterday I explained you competitors, customers' choice, condition of the economy, change in fashion, technology. See, I gave you see. Competitors. New competitors came into the market, and then there will be this, or maybe there will be some loss. Then see customers' choice. Customers' choice may also be changed. Preferences also may be changed. Before few days, the customers are demanding due to festival sweets and chocolates. Now they are not demanding it. Various reasons are there behind the change in customers' choice and preference. Yes. Then customers' choice, competitors, condition of the economy. See that there are various conditions in the economy: recession, depression, boom, bullish, bearish, everything you will learn in further next classes. But these are the reasons for the condition of the business environment. And another one, government rule, change in fashion and technology. See, change in fashion and technology also may cause the risk or the huge loss for fashion industry, for electrical appliances, for technical products, automobiles, phones, etc. So economic causes includes uncertainties relating to demand for products, competition, price, change in technology, rise in interest rate, higher taxes, government conditions and policies. Various points are there under economic causes. That's why I'm telling you economic causes is a wider term. It includes various things. What are the related with the economy? That is also the cause of business risk. So it includes uncertainties relating to demand for product. Demand for product means customer's choice, preference, fashion, technology, competition. Maybe the competitors will come by giving various sales promotion activities, and by reducing the price. You can see the Jio is giving tough competition to Airtel and other companies. So these all are the risks, and that exist in the business every time. Price of the product also may be the risk. If your price is high, the customers will not prefer it. And if you are keeping the product price less, you will have loss. So change in technology, interest rate, higher taxes, government policies, all are under economic causes than other causes. What are the other causes, do you think? Political disturbances. Yes, this is the main point, political, or you can say other. Other causes, the first one is political disturbance. Political disturbance is the major cause of business risk in other. Say if there is peace in the country, smooth working will be there. If there is war, riots, and instability, there is disturbance in the country from the point of view of political or other, then the business also suffers. So political peace is necessary for smooth workings. Like I am giving you the example. Just now, China and India has some disputes at the possibility of various reasons are there, but at the border they have something. So what is the problem? Then we are not using Chinese products. Government says boycott Chinese apps. That is the political disturbance. That will be the losses for many businessmen who are dealing with the China. That's the problem. And then mechanical failures. Yes, this is also a cause of business risk. Example, a factory appoints 100 persons and they are coming daily but machines are not working. That is the risk. The owner has to pay the salary to the workers. But machines are not working, that's why production is not there. So there will be problem, and this is termed as risk. Change in exchange rates. Those who are dealing with the other countries involved in international business, import and exports, they will come under this category. Change in exchange rates, fluctuation in exchange rates may be the reason of loss, reason of risk for them. Now, see the diagram for you. Causes of business risk. Yes. HENO. HENO. Causes of business risk. HENO. HENO. Business risk है no. है H. Human cause. E. Economic cause. No. Natural other causes. Then it's very easy for you to learn. HENO. HENOCH, human cause, E, economic cause, no, natural cause and other causes. So this is the point. And natural causes means the causes which are not under the control of business. I will explain you first. You should note down HENO, HE, HENO, N, natural causes, O, other causes. Now I am going to explain you again. See, yesterday we completed types of risk, nature of risk, and our today's topic is causes of risk. Causes of business risk classified in 4 parts. 4 causes are there. Hai, no, human, economic, natural, other. So, see first, natural causes. Risk due to natural calamities like damage from flood, earthquakes, tsunami. Human causes means due to human activities like loss by theft, fraud, cheating, etc. Economic causes means uncertainties related with the economic conditions, competition, price, change in technology, change in interest rates. That is also the reason of risk. If someone has taken loan and RBI increase the interest rates, there will be cause of loss or cause of risk, higher taxes also. Then other causes, political disturbance, mechanical failures, change in exchange rates, all are under these activities. So these are termed as causes of risk, natural causes, human causes, economic causes, other causes. Okay, so our topic of today is causes of risk, and we have studied 4 causes of risk. And see, you can learn NOH, human risk. The risk due to man-made. Risk are loss due to workers, due to debtors. So the risk due to manpower will be termed as human risk. Maybe your worker is careless, maybe fraud, cheating, negligence, carelessness of workers, loss by theft, all are under bad debts, all are under human risk, human causes. Then E, economic causes. This is a wider term. Economic causes means the causes due to economic condition, demand, supply, competitors, customers, conditions of economy, change in customers' preference, demand, change in fashion, technology, all are the reason of risk, my dear children. Then O, other risk. Other risk related with political society, political boundaries, political problems, instability, and social factor is also there. See, sometimes society is not ready to accept the products of some companies due to some rumors are there. So, like Maggie, that is the loss of for the business and risk for the business because people were not ready to buy that. Now they are eating. Now you all are eating, but I am telling you about the condition. That is social factor is also there. So in mechanical failure is also there, electricity failure is also there. There are various risks. Okay, so today we completed business risk and the keyword is